I had a couple of people say they wouldn't be able to make class to go over these answers, so I'm just going to do a wee video of them, which means you've always got them there for revision as well. Okay, so first question then, 60% of people experience depression at some point in their lives, so you want to know how many would not experience depression. Okay, so I'm going to start by finding 60% of 356,980. Percentage as ever means out of 100, so we're doing 60 divided by 100 times 356,980. Let's get the calculator out. Okay, so 60 divided by 100 times 356,980. 214,188, 214,188, 14188. So that's how many people would experience depression. We're asked how many people would not. So we need to take it away from our starting values. 365,980, take away 214,188. 56980, take away 214,188, which gives me 142,792, 142,792, 142,792. Okay, next question, very similar. This time 65% of people will experience depression. And we've got 167,500. So we need to find 65% of 167,500. So we're going to do 65 divided by 100 times 167,500, which is 108,875. So that's again how many people would experience. We want to know how many people would not. So let's take it away. So 167,500. Try again. 00, that's better. Take away 110,875. Which is 58,625. Okay. Any questions about those two, let me know. We'll move on to the next type of question. While on a period of medication, a person gained a third more of their body weight. Before the medication, they weighed 55 kilograms. What was their weight after the gain? Make sure you read that question correctly. We don't want to know how much weight they have gained. We want to know what their weight is after the gain. So we need to start by finding a third of 55. To find a third of something, we divide it by 3. So 55 divided by 3 would be 18.33333. We want it to one decimal place, that'd be 18.3. And that's how much they have gained. So they used to be 55, they've gained 18.3. So we need to add them together. We get 73.3 kilograms. Now it states in the question to give your answer correct to one decimal place. So your answer must be to one decimal place. Okay, let's try the next one. This time a person gained a sixth more of their body weight. Before they earned 67 kilograms. What was their weight after the gain? So a sixth of 67. To find a sixth of something, we divide by 6. Which is 11.2. It's 11.1666 and so on. To one decimal place, there's the first number after a point, which is a 1. Number after that's a 6, so that's going to push that 1 up to a 2. So they've gained 11.2 kilos. They started off at 67, so we need to add it on. So they would weigh 78.2 kilos. Okay. Those first two questions then, it's like the same question repeated. Those first two questions are in your numerical section 1. So if you got one of those two wrong, we need to redo just those 2 questions. Okay. The second section then is our drug calculations. So we've got a solution available as 20 grams per 50 mils. That's what we have got. 0.4 litres are prescribed, so that is what I want. So I want 0.4 litres. I have got 50 ml and 20 grams. Need to make sure my units match. I've got litres and millilitres here, so we need to change this one. 0.4 litres is the same as 400 millilitres. So we're going to do want over got times what it's in. 400 divided by 50 times 20. 400 divided by 50 times 20. It's 160 grams. Next one, very similar. This time what we've got is 50 grams per 100 ml. We want 0.4 litres. Same. It was. No. So I want 0.4 litres, and I've got. No, don't want my 50 there. Don't want my 50 there because I need these to match. If that's litres, I need my millilitres at the top. So I want my 50 grams here. 0.4 litres again is 400 millilitres. So I want to do want over got times what it's in. So 400 divided by 100 times 50 would be 200. 400 divided by 100 times 50, 200. Okay. Next drug calculation one then is tablets. So we've got somebody who's required to take a total of 150 milligrams. Each tablet's 25 milligrams. So we'll do 150 divided by 25. 150 divided by 25 gives us 6 tablets. Very similar this time, 200 milligrams of medication. Each tablet is 50. We'll do 200 divided by 50, which should be 4 tablets. Okay, so that is your numerical section 2 with your drug calculations. Again, if you've got one of those 2 questions wrong, it's those 2 that you would need to reset. Looking at the next section then, numerical section 3, this is our alcohol question. Someone drinks 3 bottles of wine, each containing 700 ml at 11.5%. Okay. So let's find out how much drink they had altogether. So 3 times 700 is 2,100 millilitres. That's at 11.5%. So we do 11.5% of 2,100. It doesn't matter what order you do this in. I've chosen to work out how much drink it was altogether, but if you worked out 11.5% of 700 and then times it by 3, you'd get the same answer. It doesn't matter the order if you've done it a different way. Percent still means out of 100. It's always going to mean out of 100. That will never change. Times 2,100. That gives us 241.5. So that is the amount of millilitres of alcohol they have drunk. We're told that there are 10 mils of alcohol in 1 unit. So I'm going to divide that by 10, which gives me 24.15 units. I've been asked for an answer to 1 decimal place. It's 1 number after the point. First one's a 1, next one's a 5. It's going to push that up to a 2. So 24.2 units. Try the next one. This one drinks 5 bottles of beer at 350 ml, 7.5% volume. So we start by doing 5 times 350. 350 times 5 is 1,750 millilitres. It's at 7.5%. So I'm going to find 7.5% of 1,750. Again, out of 100. doing 7.5 divided by 100 times 1750, which is 131.25. That's the amount of alcohol they've had, not the amount of units. There are 10 mils of alcohol in a unit, so I need to divide by 10, which is 13.5. Again, I want an answer to one decimal place. So my one number after the point is a 1, straight after that is a 2, so that stays as a 1. So it'll be 13.1 units. Okay, last type of question then is our ratio question. So the ratio of males to females is 7:4. If a clinic sees 16 women, so 16 females, how many men would it see? So I want to know what I need to do to get from here to here. So that would times by 4. So I want to times the other side by 4. That would be 28. It would be 28 men. Last question then. Same idea. A ratio of males to females is 8:3. You see 21 women. 3 to 21 is 7. So let's do the same here. 8 times 7 is 56 men. Okay, I hope that helps. If there are still any problems with any of these questions, please let me know. We'll spend some time going over them again. Okay.